Hello everyone, this is Bilal. In this video, I'll be telling you guys how we can scrap using basic websites from Octoparse. Octoparse is a freemium web scraping tool, which is a very powerful tool we can leverage without using any line of code to actually scrap multiple websites with multiple pages. So before we start this tutorial, I wanted to let you know that I have been doing web scraping for the past 3-4 years with over 500 plus projects completed worldwide. So if you want to hire me for your agency or for any web scraping work, you can contact me on this email that is shown on your screen. Now let's get started with the tutorial. If I open this website that is called Goodfellow, I'll be scraping this website for an example, but you can choose any website that you need really. So this is the layout basically, and this is the pagination. So this is like the next page pagination, and if I click on that, you can see it also has the detail page. So today we would be learning how we can scrap this page and also the inside page, the detail page. So before we start, we need to copy this URL from the above. Copy that, open up our Octoparse, and then on this right left side you can see this new. We'll click on that, and then gonna click on custom task. We will wait for a few minutes until the screen is shown for us. Then we will paste in the URL that we copied and then click on save. Now once that is done, we will wait here until the website shows. Okay, now the website is loaded. Now what we can do is basically on this tip icon, you can see this box. We can click on auto detect webpage data. What it will do is basically it will automatically detect the listings for you. Now we will wait until that is loaded and I'll show you. Okay, we can see that it has detected these columns for us. So we would be needing the page URL, so we will do that, and then we will need the price, and I will remove the columns that I don't need. So you can do this for any website. Now here you can see this is important. Now many of you will check this as add page scrolls, but we don't really need here the page scrolls because we can easily see the listings from here without doing much of a scrolling. So we will untick this add page scrolls option, and we will let this option take paginator to scrap more pages. Now after that, what we need to do is then clear the workflow. Once the workflow is created, we can minimize this, and on the right side of your pen you can see the workflow tab. Okay, if I scroll down, you can see all of this. This is basically the building block of Octoparse, where you can make everything like extract data blocks and everything. Now I will be going to the main listing page that I showed you. For this, what you need to do is click on here on this enter sub page. So we need to go to a sub page. After clicking here, we can see this bulb icon. We click on that, and then it will say click on an extracted data field, and we will choose as view URL. Once that is done, we will click on confirm. What now this will do is basically it will take us to the main detail listing page. Now for example, I would be needing the description, right? So I'll click on here. You can see we got this element detected, and we'll get the text of that. Now you can see if I clean this data, we can clean as well. We can see all the listing, all the description has got detected and scrapped. Now what other thing we need to do that is important is we click on extract data one, click on the options, and then we will take this wait before action, and then put the time to 3 seconds because that is usually sufficient. Now we'll click on apply, and then we'll click on save. Once that is done, we will click on the loop item to go back to see our listings. Now here you can see we will now learn how to clean the data, right? For that, I will just right click on that column, you can see, and then click on this clean data one. Now for example, we don't need the pound symbol, we just need the value, right? So what we can do is then we'll click on add step, and then click on replace, and then copy this pound icon and then place, and then we will replace it with nothing, and when we confirm it, the output preview will show without any symbol. Now click on apply, and that is done. Now to run the bot, we will just click on save and click on run, and then we can just click on standard mode here. This will basically start your scrapping. Now I will fast forward this a little bit so you can see the end results. Okay guys, so now I'm stopping the scraper at 13 listings, we can say, and then I would click on confirm. But you, for your website, you can just let it stay running until it's done, and then I'll just click on export. Now for exporting, I will show you the screen that will look to you. So now we will wait. From here we can see the export data as CSV or Excel or HTML and other options we also have. So now I'll just take this as Excel, and then I'll just click on confirm and then click on save. After that's done, I will just click on open file, and then here you can see we got the results. So if you like this video guys, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more of these tutorials. Thank you for